Good morning, friends, or good afternoon or evening, wherever you are in this world, whichever place you are living now. Today, I want to show you some unboxing of QCY earbud T9. So this is the QCY earbuds T9 white color model. So recently they have launched this new model, and now they bring with the cap. So let's see how this cap is going to enhance its usability, and how does it look, and in practical purposes how we can use this one. And previous model they didn't have this cap. Personally, I don't like the cap because it makes a hassle to remove and close, but this cap can also be dust proof. So yeah, pretty beneficial to people who are living in dust area and have to use this for travel and other type of in the dirty pockets and bags and everything. I couldn't find the black model is out of stock. Looks like it's very popular, the black model, but I got my hands on the white model. So this is what it is. Let's start the unboxing, guys. So yeah, oh, it came off like that. We have to use the knife to do the unboxing. It's a pretty sharp knife, so I have to take care not to cut myself. I don't want to do unboxing of my own unboxing. I have to do unboxing of the earbud. So this is the QCY T9 white earbuds with the white cover. And let's see some specifications of this one. Yeah, so charging time is 2 hours, playback time is 4 hours, standby time is 70 hours. This is Bluetooth 5.0, guys. This is good news. And battery capacity is almost 43 milliampere. Battery capacity in charging case is 300 milliampere. And it's a Korean model, guys. This is specifically for Korea. So of course everything is written in Korean here, but I will convert it for you. And then it supports Bluetooth profile of HFP, A2DP and AVRCP. I don't know what that means, but technically this is some technical terms they've used for the support profile. And yeah, good thing is it's Bluetooth 5.0. Good. The game is on, the good thing. So it comes in a casing and a overlapping casing, a fancy casing like that. And then this is the actual casing of the earbud. Let me open it. Yeah guys, so wow, looks smooth. Yeah, it comes in a very cushiony place, in a foam, so it stays intact. So let us keep it one way. We will discuss about it later. What's else in the box? What else? What is more in the box? So we have some, oh, very good, some more earbud guards. Yeah, we need these things. Yeah, good. Well, this white, so they should give us more in white, because white gets dirty more quickly. We have a charging, let me see, it is USB 3.0 or the mini USB. Yeah guys, this is the mini USB, the standard USB. Still the QCY is going on with the standard USB. They should change to USB 3.0. This is growing demand of people because more and more cell phone now are using the USB 3.0. And we have some manual of the QCY. Unfortunately, it's all in Korean, but LED. It's showing something like that if you charge, and this something about LED is there and how to wear. Yeah, it's good. And pretty much standard way of telling what does the lighting and how to connect. This is old school stuff. We guys already have seen a lot of Bluetooth earbuds. We already know. Yeah guys, so the cost of this earbud is $20 in Korea, 20 USD. It comes around, if you convert, 1200 rupees in Indian rupees. This is a decent amount of money. This is, I think, good bargain for your money. You can listen to music and have a decent walk with this. It's good investment for. Let's keep it all side, keep it clean so that you can see. So it's like this guys, and I think this is the LED indicator which shows that battery backup is fully charged, or it's ongoing charge, or charge is less. Yeah guys, oh, it's already with some charge. So it blinked green. It's already with charge. Yeah guys, so this is some new type. Yeah, it's the white model. Personally, I don't like white, but I had no choice but to get a white one because, as you know, the black is sold out. Anyhow, let's not cry on that. Let's focus on unboxing. So there is some golden coupling here. It was taped to prevent the contact. As soon as you put this one in remove the label, this golden contact will come in contact with the charger, and then it will charge this earbud. So we have to remove here. That's a good thing. They have taken care of shipment, and maybe they learned a lot from last time. When I brought the QCY T6, this is T9, they didn't have this type of sticker to prevent the coupling. So this prevent the accidental discharge. Yeah guys, so good, pretty compact, small, put in the bag, listen to a song, have a nice life, just remove stress from your mind. Listen to music, forget the pain, do your job, have a great time. See you guys. Thank you so much for listening to my unboxing. I will see you later.